This is my presentation for our literature circles. We read There's a Boy in the Girls' Bathroom, and my group members were Jaylee, Devin, Brooklyn, Maddie, and myself. So the summary of the story is that there was this 5th grade boy named Bradley Chalkers, and he was a bully in the school and nobody really liked him. He sat in the back of his class by himself and he didn't like to do any of his homework. And then there was a new kid named Jeff Fishkin who came to this school, and he had to sit by Bradley. Jeff tried to be nice to him and he tried to be friends with him, but Bradley was just mean to him as well as he was everyone else. And then when the school had a new counselor, Bradley was supposed to have meetings with her. And at first he didn't really want to have these meetings with her and he didn't want to talk to her, but he decided that he would, and that decision of going to talk to her was one of the best decisions that he could have made. Carla, the counselor, believed in Bradley when nobody else in the school did. She really pushed him, I think, and she made him be a better person. And eventually Bradley began making friends, doing his homework, and getting good grades. And then he even got invited to a girl in his school, Colleen's birthday party. And then after that, the new counselor got transferred to teach at a new school. And Bradley thought that he couldn't be a good kid anymore. But then after he went to the birthday party, he had fun, he decided that he could, and he kept being a good kid. So the main characters in this book were Bradley. He was a bully and he was rude to everyone that he knows. He says that he has to hate people before they hate him. And then Jeff, he was the new kid at the school and he wasn't afraid of Bradley and he liked to sit by him. And then Carla, the counselor, she was the new school counselor that helped change Bradley for the better. And then Colleen was the girl in Jeff and Bradley's class that invited Bradley to his first birthday party. Since he didn't ever have friends, he's never been to a birthday party, so he got invited. The biggest problem in this story was that Bradley was a bully and he didn't pay attention in school, and he wanted to make friends, and he wanted to get a gold star because everyone else in the class had gold stars. The solution to the problem was that Carla helped Bradley learn to be friendly to other people, and he learned to do well in school and get good grades, and he eventually did get a gold star. The plot of this story was that the first main event was when Carla came to the school as a counselor. I feel like that was a really changing point because Bradley went and talked to her and it caused him to be a better kid. And then the second main point event was when Jeff walks into the girls' bathroom. And then lastly was when Bradley got invited to Colleen's birthday party. Because I think that was a really good main point, because after that he wasn't a bully anymore. He had fun and he had friends. The theme of this story is that people can change. It just depends on how badly they want to. Because at the beginning of the story, everyone thought Bradley was just a bad kid and there was no changing him. And then at the end of the story, he's a completely different person. He's changed. He does his homework. He has friends. He gets good grades. And he completely changed. So some of my group members' favorite parts was when Bradley and Carla first met. When Carla believed in Bradley, causing him to believe in himself. I feel like that was a really good part of the book, because if it wasn't for Carla, who knows what Bradley would have ended up like. And then the overall acceptance of friendship that the story tells, my group members and I really liked that, because we thought that this book would be good for elementary kids to read or get read to them, because it shows a good story of friendship and you can be friends with the mean kid in school and just completely change them. And then one of my favorite parts was after Carla left and Bradley went into her office, and then she left the letter in the book sitting on the circle table with his name on it. So the setting of this story mostly takes place in the school. A little bit is in Bradley's house, and then at the end it is in Colleen's house for her birthday party. And then our feelings towards this book, we all had the same feelings towards this book. We all thought it was a really good book in general, and we loved how it shows that people can change. No matter, it's only a matter of how bad they want to change, but everyone can change if they try.